Hey there, my name is Matt Farler. I'm a product trainer with DocuSign University, and I want to tell you about a feature of eSignature that it's going to help you manage your agreement workflows. Scheduled sending. Scheduled sending allows you to schedule an envelope to be sent at a specific date and time in the future. So if you're ready to prepare an envelope but you're not ready to send it out right away, take advantage of this timely feature. Let me show you how. You'll find this setting in the envelope preparation screen. Prepare the envelope as you normally would, but instead of pressing Send Now, click the drop-down arrow next to the Send Now button and choose Send Later. You can schedule the envelope to be sent at a specific time up to 30 days from now. While the envelope is waiting for its scheduled send date, it can be found in your Drafts folder. If at any time you decide to change your mind, and you do wish to send the envelope out right now, you can open the envelope from the Drafts folder, click the drop-down arrow, and choose Send Now, and the scheduled send will be canceled. Now at this point, you may be wondering what you can do if you wanted one recipient in your routing order to sign immediately, but then have the envelope stop and wait to be delivered to the next recipient to allow for things like grace periods, for example. Well, you can build that in too, through a function called delayed sending. When building out the recipient routing order, simply click Add Delay before adding the next recipient and specify how long the envelope will wait after the previous recipient signs before the next recipient is sent their envelope notification. The delay can be a length of time, or you can set it to a specific time and date, again, up to 30 days from now. With scheduled sending and delayed sending, you'll gain more control over the flow of your agreements and ensure that they're getting signed at the right moments. For more product knowledge and trainer tips just like this one, register for one of our many instructor-led trainings at DocuSign University, like our eSignature Basic Sending and Advanced Sending courses at dsucustomers.docusign.com. Hope to see you there, and thanks for listening.